Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Minds. Today I'll be showing this Wow Vitamin C face serum. So coming to the packaging, here it looks like this, and here it is the QR code which says you that it is a genuine product. You have to just scan for this and you'll know it is a genuine product. And coming to the price, it is just $6.99 and it comes in a 30 ml bottle. And the main ingredients of this serum is vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and it helps to hydrate your skin and brighten the complexion. Okay, let me open this bottle, how it looks like. So here it is, the bottle, vitamin C face serum. Here also you'll see a QR code so that you'll know it is a genuine product. While if you book from the Flipkart or Amazon, you may get a duplicate product from there. So I suggest everyone buy this from wow.com only, from its official website. Okay, let's see. It has the vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and it has no parabens and silicones and mineral oils in it. So it is helpful for brighten your skin and remove dark spots from your face and wrinkles, fine lines, if you apply twice a day. You can just apply in the morning as well as night. If you apply in the night, it works very well in the night. It repairs your skin all over night. Here it is the cap, you have to remove this, and then here it is the pump. You just need only one pump to apply on all your face. Yep. Here it is the full review, and this is my first review regarding any product.